Hello, and welcome to this user video guide to electric storage heaters. To help you get the most from your product, we're going to talk about the basic principles of how a storage heater works and the many benefits of this type of heating. First, let's assume you don't know which model you have. The actual model number is printed on a label that looks like this. You'll find it here on top of the heater, or here on the side, or here on the other side. If you want any help or advice about your heating, it's essential that you know the model number, so always keep a note of it. Let's now look at what storage heating is about and how the heaters work. A storage heater is simply an electric heater, but specifically designed to operate on cheaper off-peak electricity, and as the name implies, it stores heat. Dimplex has 4 types of heater for different applications. There's the XL, XLS range, which has manual or automatic input controls, the fan-assisted FXL range, the CXL combination range, again with manual or automatic input control, and finally the Duo Heat range, that offers the very latest innovation in storage heating. So, how does a storage heater work? Off-peak electricity is supplied from the national grid to your house usually overnight, when demand for electricity nationally is low. This is called the off-peak period. Because it's off-peak, it's supplied at a cheaper tariff or price than normal day-rate electricity, and requires a separate off-peak electrical circuit and meter. This circuit only operates the storage heaters and switches on automatically during the off-peak time period, which will occur only at certain times of the night or day. If you are unsure what off-peak tariff you have, you will need to contact your electricity supplier for clarification. In the same way as you charge up a battery, electricity is used to heat elements in your heater. Then, over a number of hours, the elements gradually transfer the heat to a very high-density material that absorbs and stores the heat for use during the next day. This process is referred to as charging the heater. Once the heater is charged, it works rather like a sophisticated thermos flask. However, in order to ensure your room stays warm overnight, storage heaters are designed to give out some heat even when the heater is charging. When the off-peak charging period finishes, the heat is gradually released in a controlled way over the course of the day. Storage heating can be used to provide for all your room heating, or as background heating, which can be easily topped up with supplementary heating as required. So there you have it. Simple, but effective. Now we'll look a little more closely at all the advantages that come with your storage heaters. With all models, these include fast, easy installation, no pipes, boiler or flue, 24-hour warmth for the cost of 7 to 10 hours worth of cheap electricity, virtually no annual maintenance, clean and hassle-free, easily upgradable, incredibly reliable for long life, 100% efficient, BAB approved for safety and peace of mind. All storage heaters come with this impressive list of benefits, but please view the product pages on our website for specific range features. If you have any difficulty in operating your storage heater, or if you're not sure if it's operating correctly, you can also download an operating instruction leaflet, but ensure that you check your model number first. Finally, a word on safety. Dimplex heaters are built to the highest safety standards and comply with all European and UK regulations. But please remember to comply with these safety points to avoid any malfunction of the heater. Do not cover the heater with clothing or anything else at any time, or position furniture close to or against the heater. Do not attempt to remove the heater from the wall, even for decorating, as it's very heavy. The grill and top parts of the heater can get very hot. Ensure correct supervision of the elderly or infirm and young children. Ensure that there is a clearance of at least 250 millimeters, 10 inches, above, and 75 millimeters, 3 inches, on either side between the heaters and curtains or any other obstruction at all times. We hope this introduction to storage heating has been helpful, but if you need further information, you'll find it on the website, including full product specifications, operating guides, questions and answers, local installers, and service information. www.dimplex.co.uk